Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. In this video, we are going to see what are question tags. Okay, what are question tags and why they are used? Question tags are a form of question. Question tags are a kind of question, and they are asked to get confirmation or agreement from the other person. Okay, how question tags are made? Question tags are built with the statement and the tag. Okay, positive statement, positive tag, and negative statement, negative tag. We can make question tags in two ways. So that is, again, I repeat, positive statement, negative tag, negative statement, positive tag. And what is positive tag? Positive tag is nothing but when you don't have not in a sentence, that is positive tag. And how this tags are made. Tags are made with the be verb in a sentence and the pronoun of the subject in a sentence. Take for example, yesterday was so much fun. So here, what is the be verb in the sentence? Was is the be verb in the sentence. So what is the rule? If we have positive tag, positive statement, the tag must be in negative. So what is the negative form for the be verb was? It is wasn't. So we have wasn't here. And what is the pronoun for the subject? What is the subject in the sentence? Yesterday. What is the pronoun for the subject? It. So wasn't is the tag. So how tags are made? Be verb plus pronoun of the subject. Okay, look at the examples of positive statement and negative tag. She is a doctor, isn't she? In case if this she is a name, take for example, Ragul is a doctor. So the subject of the sentence is Ragul. So it must be changed into he, not Ragul. Okay, look at the next set of examples for negative statement and positive tag. Your mom hadn't met him before. It is a negative statement, so the tag must be in positive. Your mom hadn't met him before, had he. What is the be verb in the sentence? Had. And what is the subject in the sentence? Mom is the subject. So what is the pronoun for mom? She. So hadn't she is the tag of the sentence. Okay, next one. I don't need to finish this today. Do I? Okay, be verb tags are very easy to make because the be verbs are very obvious in the sentence. We can easily segregate what is be verb and what is the main verb. Take for example, is the be verb, jumping is the main verb. In this sentence, they are coming, or is the be verb, and coming is the main verb. So these in be verb sentences, in these kind of sentences, be verbs are very obvious. So it is very easy to make tag. And keep one thing in mind, that at any cost, you should not change the tense. Take for example, she is jumping, wasn't she? That is wrong way of making tag. If the be verb is in present tense in the statement, and in tag, the be verb must be in present tense. You should not change the tense, then it will go wrong. Now check out some of the examples given here. She is jumping, isn't she? They are coming, aren't they? Positive statement, negative tag. It was there, wasn't it? They were playing, weren't they? And look at the next set of examples given here. It is a informal way of making question tags, but there is a formal way of making question tag, especially in these kind of statements, positive statement and negative tag. So let's go and check out them one by one. She is jumping, is she not? It is a formal way of making question tag. They are coming, are they not? It was there, was it not? They were playing, were they not? These are some of the example for formal way of making question tag. They have already written the test, haven't they? Positive statement, negative tag. Ragul has already written the test, hasn't he? Here, Ragul is the subject, so we have replaced Rahu with he. She had left before 8:30, hadn't she? Okay. So how this negative be verb forms are made? Is plus not becomes isn't, or plus not becomes aren't, was plus not wasn't, am plus not doesn't become ain't or amn't. Sometimes it is rarely used as ain't or aren't, but the formal and common way of making is am I not is the exact answer. And then where plus not weren't, has plus not hasn't, have plus not haven't, does plus not doesn't, do plus not do don't, will plus not won't, did plus not didn't. Okay, we can make question tags in be verb form as well. How? She will come later, won't she? He can do it, can't he? He cannot do it, can he? They must give it, mustn't they? They could finish it successfully, couldn't they? They couldn't finish it successfully, could they? Okay, and that is the intonation pitch. The, the statement must be in low pitch and the tag must be in high pitch. Take for example, they couldn't finish it, could they? They could finish it successfully, couldn't they? So this is how it should be asked. Okay, let's go and check out um, how negative be verbs for modals are made. Will plus not becomes won't, would plus not becomes wouldn't, shall plus not becomes shan't, should plus not becomes shouldn't, can plus not becomes can't, could plus not become couldn't, may plus not become mayn't, might plus not become might, must plus not become mustn't. These mayn't, might, mustn't, they are rare usage, but it is available, and only at a few occasions you must have come across these kind of expressions. Dare plus not becomes doesn't become daren't but don't, because it is considered as main verb. Okay, so it becomes don't. Need plus not becomes don't. And some, if it is in V1S forms, take for example, she dares not speak that word, meaning then it becomes doesn't. Okay, how question tags are made in main verbs. Okay, let's go and check out the examples here. She speaks faster, doesn't she? But the be verb here in the sentence is not obvious. How to figure out the be verb in the sentence? You have to split V1 as into V1 does plus V1. So it becomes does plus speak. So it is doesn't she. It leaks too much, doesn't it? They talk slowly, don't they? We come often, don't we? So what is the formula here? Do plus come, do plus talk, does plus leak, does plus speaks. Okay. And check out the examples for um, past tense. They went late yesterday. So how do we segregate, sorry, how do we split went, did plus go, went, did plus go is equal to went. So we add not with did. Why? Because it is a positive statement, so it is a negative tag. So they went late yesterday, didn't they? They didn't go late yesterday, did they? It is a negative statement, so positive tag. We worked very hard last year, didn't we? So how do we split this? Did plus work is equal to worked. So positive statement, negative tag. So we add not with did. So it becomes didn't we? We did not work very hard last year, did we? Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you have any doubt, you can definitely ask me. There are more examples given in Google Classroom for your reference. You can always refer that. And you have to just focus on main verbs. Other be verbs tags are very easy to make, but only main verbs are little tricky because you will have to split the word and make tag. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can always come back to me. Thank you.